Welcome to MHD Tech, where we bring you the latest tech gadgets and gear. Today we're excited to introduce the Lepow Z1 portable display, an essential tool for boosting your productivity, entertainment, and gaming experience. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Let's start with the box contents. With the Lepow Z1, you get an HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a Type-C to Type-A cable, a smart magnetic cover, a screen protector, and of course, a user manual. The Lepow Z1 has a sleek and sturdy metal body with minimal bezels. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, providing clear and vivid visuals. On the right side, you'll find a Type-C port and a functional knob that allows you to adjust the display settings. There's also a power button for turning on or off the device. On the left side, you'll see a mini HDMI port, another Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Lepow Z1 offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, Type-C, and DP ports. You can easily connect it to your computer to enhance your workflow, or pair it with your phone to enjoy gaming or media on a larger screen. The Lepow Z1's 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display provides a wide range of viewing angles with accurate color representation. The dual speakers further enhance your viewing and listening experience. A portable display like the Lepow Z1 can be useful in various settings such as office presentations, extended display for increased productivity, or simply as a larger screen for gaming and media consumption. The Lepow Z1 is the perfect tool to meet all your media-related needs. That's a wrap for our Lepow Z1 portable display review. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.